Is the Panasonic SC-PM700PP-K actually worth your money? Or is it just another compact stereo making big promises? Let's take a quick look. The first thing I like is the size. This system is compact, so it can fit nicely on a shelf, desk, bedroom cabinet, or small living space. But don't let the size fool you. The SC-PM700PP-K delivers up to 80 watts of total RMS power. That's 40 watts per channel. It also uses a 10cm woofer and a 6cm tweeter in each speaker. And the sound? For its size, it can get surprisingly loud. The bass has some punch. Vocals are clear. And you can adjust the bass and treble to match your taste. You also get plenty of playback options. There's a CD player, FM radio, Bluetooth, and USB playback for MP3 files. So you're not stuck using just your phone. Bluetooth is also simple to use. And Panasonic includes a remote, which makes controlling the system easier. Now, there are a few downsides. This isn't a high-end audiophile system. Push the volume too far, and the sound quality can drop. Some owners also mention that speaker placement can make a noticeable difference. But here's the important part. Is it a scam? No. The Panasonic SC-PM700PP-K is a legitimate compact stereo system. And customer feedback is generally strong, with Best Buy showing a 4.6 out of 5 rating from 47 reviews. So, my final verdict? If you want a small, versatile stereo for everyday listening, this is worth considering. It's not perfect, but it definitely isn't a scam.